people, welcome to my first vlog. I made these using videos I took during my time in Sharjah. Few places I visited and enjoyed a lot, so I hope you guys will enjoy too.
$298 frozen patties later.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
And yes, I made a mess, ended up throwing sand all over everybody, including the guide who was taking pictures of me. Desert safari has been the best experience of my life so far, and I would do it again and again. That's how amazing it was.
3 days later.
Get out. Yo, what's up?
I need a big boy. I need a big boy.
So why is this place is so dark? Tell me.
I don't know.
Because under the sea it's so dark, so they have to create that environment. Wait, they have Satimoti. Sea horse, bro. What the hell is this thing? Is he a sea snake or what? Seriously?
I think that's a type of a seahorse.
Jesus, this is the guy who comes like that out of fluffy.
No,
That
it's
is
not
good.
the... What the hell? I just saw this snake.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you.
Okay.
The following Thursday.
if you made it till the end of the video, thank you so much for your love and support. It means a lot.